Hey guys, Brian here from 5 to Go. I just got an email this morning from a company that has done some nefarious things in the past and as recently as this past February and March. And I just wanted to call this out to you guys and let you know that you might be seeing some pretty shady things popping up soon, and you need to be aware of what to look for. So what we're talking about is, again, Nomad Internet. They are back at it. Back earlier this year, they were doing a bunch of stuff with influencers and promising all of these amazing, awesome, fully unlimited internet packages, and it turned out to be a huge scam to the point where they were actually sued by the Attorney General of Texas, where they are based out of. I've been getting emails from them, about 2 or 3 emails a week since then. Apparently they didn't learn their lesson the first time a few years ago when a bunch of people discovered that their service was terrible. They didn't learn their lesson this second time earlier this year when they basically got exposed as a big scam. And apparently they still want to keep trying. And now they're trying something new, which is going to cause a lot of confusion in the internet marketplace. And unfortunately, it is targeted at RVers and people that live in rural communities and don't have good access to internet. So what they are doing is they are offering a new service called white labeling. And this is a pretty common industry term in the tech industry with services and products. And basically what white labeling is there is a company that will offer a product or service to other companies that they are allowed to rebrand with their own name and take control over certain levels of this service or product, and then resell that at a markup to new customers. So what you're going to start seeing is in the next couple weeks or the next couple months, you're going to start seeing more of these unlimited internet packages showing up, and they're going to be with new companies you've never heard of. However, they're all going to be illegitimate, for lack of a better term. These are resellers reselling resold plans. And now I don't know if that's legal or not. I am not a lawyer. I don't know anything about how all of that works. But what I do know is it is not a good option for you to spend your hard-earned money on. There are good options out there. These resellers are not a good option. So a mower just showed up around the corner, so I gotta be quick. How do you know if you're looking at a page that is a reseller? A big, huge tip-off is if they offer blue or red or pink plans. That is their way of saying this is AT&T, this is T-Mobile, this is Verizon. But they can't actually say those because they are not legitimately working with those services. They are just reselling services that they are buying at a business level, big chunks of data from these companies. Now, another thing that will tip you off is if they claim to be unlimited, but you look down into the fine print and it will say like 800 gig limit per month or even lower than that. There are truly unlimited options out there. I made a big long video all about the options that I recommend. Those include Starlink and things like T-Mobile Home Internet and Verizon Home Internet. Those are things you can get directly from these companies. They are legitimate services. They have real support. They have real unlimited amounts of data. They have, it's real stuff. These resellers are just trying to make a quick buck, and you guys are the victims. So be on the lookout for any new random internet companies that are going to be appearing over the next couple months, because Nomad is back at it under everybody else's name. If you got the same email that I did this morning and you're thinking, hey, this could be a great way to make money, don't do it. Just don't. You don't want to be in business with these people. You don't want to be a reseller of internet plans. You don't want to have anything to do with any of that. So just don't do it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. The best place to learn about internet is on our Discord server. Aaron and I run the largest RV Discord server on the internet, probably in the world, and it's awesome. It is full of thousands of awesome people. We talk about cool stuff all day long, and we talk a lot about internet. We talk a lot about electrical. We talk a lot about travel, a lot about towing, a lot. So 5togo.com/Discord, go there, join the conversation. We will help steer you in the right direction, because Nomad and other resellers are not the right direction. You deserve to get a good product for your money. So don't fall for it. Stick with legitimate providers. If you need help, come and ask. So with all of that being said, a quick update about us. You'll see I have a new shirt on. This is our caravan shirt for this summer, and we leave next week. If you are interested in meeting up with us, we will be going up and down the East Coast over the next few months. If you want to meet up with us and you're going to be in that area, join the Roadrunners, 5togo.com/roadrunners. I have the entire route posted. We have all of our dates. We have all of the campgrounds shared. All of that information, the entire itinerary is available to our Roadrunners. So if you want to meet up with us, hop into the Roadrunners, 5togo.com/roadrunners, and join us. And we will see you guys on the road, and we will see all of you in the next episode. Have a good one.